Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. How have you been? I am also fine. I hope that you are also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I have come here once again in this field area. You can see this is the field area. In this time the winter season is going on. That's why everywhere or are planted in potato and few of the vegetables are planted in this place. Cauliflower, cabbage, beni and brinjal, coriander. This kind of tree are available in this place, and I have come here for my practicing purpose and for my improving my English skill. Actually, practice is the most important key. Without practicing we cannot learn anything, and I am learning this language. I want to be a good English speaker. That's why also I am practicing right now, and every single day whenever I get free time I always come here. I always come here in this place for practicing purpose, for making the video, and that's why also I have come here. And first of all, thank you for watching this video, and many thanks who have subscribed my channel and who are watching this video. To learn this language always you have to speak regular basis. Speaking is the most important part, and I noticed that who are beginner, who want to learn this language, they did not speak, they do not speak properly. Actually they are shy person. I am also shy person in front of camera. I did not speak anyone, I could not speak anyone because I am camera shy person. But right now also, after practicing right now also, I am being able to speak English a little bit in front of camera. And actually for practicing purpose always you have to speak. Speaking is the most important part, and always you have to take as a language. Actually when I was studying and in my school life, at that time I always took the English as a subject, but it was very wrong. To learn this language always you have to take as a language. If you take a language you can learn this language very easily. And many students who are studying in school or college, they are always taking as a subject in English, but always you have to take in a language for learning this language. English is a language, yeah. And I belong to West Bengal. That's why also my native language is Bengali. I always love my mother tongue. Bengali is awesome language. Literature is awesome. If you want to learn this language, always you have to speak and always you have to listen. Listening and speaking is the most important part. You know, I belong to West Bengal. I noticed that in our locality, many people who are doing the job in Kolkata, every single day they go to Kolkata for job purpose. And in Kolkata there are so many people who are speaking in Hindi language, but by working purpose they communicate with the people in Hindi. That's why also most of the people in our locality, they know very well in Hindi. Always they speak Hindi language, yeah. But they did not learn any grammar in Hindi language. But how did they learn Hindi language? Always speaking and listening every single day. For while working purpose they always speak each other in Hindi language, and right now also by practicing they can learn the Hindi language, yeah. In this way also you can learn your English language. English is a language, yeah. Always you have to speak and always you have to listen. Listening is the most important part, and always you have to speak. Speaking is the most important part. I know to learn any language always you have to follow 4 rules: LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. 4 things are very important, but most important is listening and speaking, yeah. And if you are a good listener, yeah, one day you will be a good speaker. Listening is an art. Every single day if you listen 20 minutes in the morning time and 20 minutes in the afternoon time, you will improve a lot, yeah. And first of all I am telling you, how am I learning my English language? Actually, if you passed the examination 10th or 12th, maybe you have a knowledge of basic English grammar. Yeah, actually to learn this language, basic English grammar is important. Yeah, and maybe you have a knowledge of basic grammar. What is the present tense, what is the past tense, what is the future tense, and there are 12 tense, 12 tense, and always you have to use 5 or 6 tense while speaking English. It is needed while speaking English. Present indefinite, present continuous, and present perfect. It is this tense is very important while speaking English. And if I say in the past tense, and past indefinite and past continuous is very important. And future tense, if I told me future tense, in future indefinite and future continuous is most important for speaking English. And if you have a knowledge of modal verbs, modal is also important. Can, could, would, should, it is also important. Yeah, if you knowledge about this, you can start your English speaking journey. There is no problem. Yeah, and if you have a good environment for practicing purpose, if you have a partner for practicing purpose, it is also good for practicing purpose. Always you have to speak with your friends and continuously, and after recording the video, always you have to record this conversation. And after recording the video, always you have to find out what is the mistake while speaking English. Yeah, and what kind of mistake you have done, what kind of mistake you have done while speaking English. After that also you have to find out what is your mistake, and after that also you have to rectify your mistakes. Yeah, and in the beginning time, first of all you have to make the video 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yeah, and after completing 1 month or 2 months, definitely you will make the long video. Yeah, in this, if you follow these rules, yeah, you will improve a lot. And listening and speaking is the most important part. Every single day always you have to listen. But another part is important, that is also vocabulary. Vocabulary is also important. Yeah, if you don't have a lot of vocabulary in your brain, don't worry about it. Always you have to read English newspaper, always you have to read English story book. Yeah, and from those book, always you have to select 5 or 4 new vocabulary from this page. After that also always you have to use this vocabulary while speaking English. Yeah, and whenever you find a new vocabulary, and always you have to use while speaking English. In this way also you will improve your vocabulary skill. Yeah, and if you practice regular basis, one day you will improve a lot. Yeah, and the most important is always you have to take a language. English is a language, and if you want to learn this language, always you have to practice. Actually today that's enough. I did not want to make this video for a long time. That's enough. All right, take care, bye bye, have a good day.